Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard and I do art and cooking, and today I have this oil pastel queen and I'm starting off with Jane Davenport stencils. So I've got this cream colored Canson graduate paper pad. It's I think like 8x5-ish, somewhere in there, maybe slightly larger. So I've taped that off and I'm using, you can see to the left there are more styles of faces, and then just kind of getting the main gist down there with my charcoal pencil. What's nice about these is you don't have to make them exactly like they are, but it's a good starting out point. And I was using her book as sort of inspiration for some whimsical colors and things, trying to pick a palette and so forth. So it's been a while since I've done some of these whimsical girls, so I thought I would dip back in and do that in oil pastels. I have a gold Art Echo gold metallic crowny color there and trying to just map out what I want to do with the basics. You could go in with water, well, you could do watercolor on this paper actually, or color pencil or gouache or something like that, that if you wanted sort of an underpainting, then you can go ahead and do that. I was trying to just kind of get my borders there before I got too detailed. Wasn't sure exactly where I was going with this. Sorry for my voice. I have another cold, I think, because you gotta have 11 in 8 months of the year. I don't know, guys. It's just been crazy. Yeah, glad I have art. So going in, trying to get, excuse me, some flesh tones and at least my flesh tone, and actually they don't make white enough for me, but somewhat of a flesh tone there, and was going for sort of a queenly frou-frou collar that you kind of see like in the 1600s era, and going with some of these purples. So what's on my desk is Paul Rubens. I just picked up there, the Haya, however you say that, my Art Echoes, my Senneliers are the ones that I just happen to have out now, but you could certainly use what you have. I will try to hopefully leave links below. I was having a hard time looking up these face stencils. They don't seem to be available at the second of the voiceover of making this, but check again. You know, sometimes things get restocked. It comes with a big hair stencil as well with various hairstyles, and I didn't use it here today, but that is also, I love Jane Davenport stuff. She really thinks about the creative process and giving you starting off points. I can draw a face, but sometimes it's nice to just dive in and have something to sort of guide you. So kind of like using a reference in a way. Going in with my charcoal pencil, give a little more definition there as I'm sort of building everything up. And yeah, just kind of, there's my Sennelier iridescence set. I love this set. Just gives, it's really, the video doesn't do it justice. They're so shiny and beautiful. Really, it's about $35–40 for that set, but it is worth it. The quality is just amazing in Senneliers. If I could buy all the Sennelier set, I would. The next best thing to me are the Mungios and Paul Rubens and Art Echoes, but if you can get Senneliers, get Senneliers. Splurge a little, but at least the set is amazing, and you get a white and black in there as well. So ton of wonderful colors, and they're just so much fun to use, and just giving her sparkly things going on here. And yeah, hopefully I wasn't trying to make her look too clowny. Hopefully that's not what's coming. Now that I'm watching it with the voiceover, I'm like, maybe it was a little too frou-frou. But anyway, is what it is. Going with my Posca Pen a little bit, trying to see if I wanted to put some white dots, and doing the peel away, which is also quite satisfying when you made a mess. And there it is. I thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's a free way to support this channel. Please, if you can, that would be amazing. YouTube just doesn't push it out unless people are interacting with it. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you get into your supplies and have a wonderful day.